Hey friends, if you wish to reconnect or remount ejected USB drive on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Okay. Now you will find the root hub once. So here's what you have to do. Earlier we had the USB mass storage option, but we don't have that now. So right click on USB root hub and select this one, uninstall device. Uninstall it and then click on action and scan for hardware changes. Okay, do it for all the USB root hubs, and this is how you can fix the problem. Okay, and this is especially true even if you want, even if that USB external drive is not connected. So this will solve the problem if you accidentally pulled out your USB drive without clicking on that option to safely remove the USB drive. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.